Good morning, Blaine. Yes, indeed, Duduzane Zuma has arrived here in this Johannesburg Commercial Crimes Court here. Media contingency quite large here, awaiting in anticipation what might transpire in today's court proceedings. As you've alluded just now, his lawyer, Kim Krause, has confirmed that he's been charged with corruption and condemned to commit corruption. He will be facing those charges, amongst others, here in this Court D of this Commercial Crimes Court here in second floor. And of course, a lot of anticipation as to what's going to transpire. We understand that he's going to apply for bail, and of course, he's also agreed to hand over his passport, which was one of the main issues that were to be discussed in this courtroom regarding the fact that he might sort of, flee the country during these, his court appearances. We also understand that there's a culpable homicide case that he has to attend to this coming Thursday. So quite a busy schedule for Duduzane Zuma, but at this very moment he's inside this court right behind me. We're expecting him to take to the dock any minute from now. His lawyers have also arrived. They've actually been preparing for these court proceedings. We are going to be getting inside just in a moment to get a sense of what will happen. And of course, important to highlight is the fact that the media has actually made an application to stream live these court proceedings. We are still awaiting a response from the magistrate presiding this case to get a sense of whether or not we will be able to broadcast these court proceedings live on our channels as the media.
Abungile, in terms of the visuals that we saw this morning of him coming into court, there was this huge media scrum. What was his demeanor like? What did you see?
The moment he got out of the car, he did look a bit surprised in a way as to the number of journalists that were actually, taking pictures of him. But at the same time, his demeanor, he does look a bit calm. He does look like he's okay. I'd put it that way, looking at the fact that he's already been to the Johannesburg Central Police Station to hand himself over there. So now I would imagine he's aware of what's at stake in as far as these cases are concerned. He did look calm. He did sort of get to be hindered from sort of entering the basement parking area where he got, because he didn't get through this entrance behind me. He did get through to the basement underground. So basically he did sort of look okay, and we are yet to see him inside the courtroom now as to how he sort of presents himself in front of the magistrate.
So if I heard you correctly, there is this application to broadcast from inside court. So what time do you think proceedings are likely to start?
The proceedings are likely to start at 9:30 this morning. Not confirmed yet, because at the same time we are still awaiting for that response from the magistrate who's presiding over this case. But initially everything was supposed to resume at 9 o'clock. But because of the application we've put forward as the media, we kind of are still awaiting for a response from him. But likely we will start at 9:30.
Okay. Abungile Dumako, thank you very much indeed. We'll try to catch up with you a little later on that top story.